Vision's Network Event module allows you to quickly and effectively communicate service outages or upgrades to impacted subscribers. This video will guide you through creating an event, notifying subscribers of the outage, as well as tracking performance and generating reports. To create a new network event, navigate to the Network section in Vision and select Network Events to view all open and closed events. Use the floating action button in the bottom right corner to start a new event. Enter a title, description, and any relevant notes to document the issue and reassure subscribers that you are aware of the outage and that it is being addressed. Because Vision is a location-based system, one of the easiest ways to add subscribers to a network event is using the map interface. This can be through the homepage, base map, or monitoring map. If you already know where the affected area is, you can layer subscribers or service areas to select the affected locations. Otherwise, you can use the Select Data Objects tool to draw a freeform shape on the map and group the impacted subscribers. This will populate the subscribers that are within the drawn shape and allow you to add those subscribers to the network event by clicking Add Event and selecting the event with the outage. You can also add subscribers by associating specific network hardware. Start by selecting the Edit Associations option to manage the equipment tied to the event. Next, click Add Hardware. This will open a window where you can choose the warehouse and the specific hardware to associate with the event. For instance, you might select a wireless tower's access point or a fiber cabinet's OLT. If multiple types of hardware are affected by the outage, you can select all relevant pieces of equipment in this step. This method is ideal for Vision clients whose subscriber equipment is linked to specific network hardware. If you need to notify all subscribers about a company-wide issue, you can generate a subscriber report. Navigate to the main menu, select Operations, and click Subscribers. The Subscribers Report page will show the various reporting options, but the best option for a network event will be Current Subscribers. This report will generate a list of all your subscribers who are currently in Vision. To associate the list with an event, click Add Event and select the appropriate network event. Once subscribers or hardware associations have been added to the event, you can send an email by clicking the Send Email icon. In the email prompt, you can compose a new message or use a predefined template. Templates will autofill details, allowing you to edit them to better address the specific issue if needed. Additionally, you can include attachments or send a test email before distributing it out to your subscribers. Subscriber account information can be pulled in to personalize the message as needed by selecting from the numbered list of dynamic variables. Once the email is ready, send it to your subscribers by clicking Send Email. To send an SMS message to subscribers through the network event, click the phone icon labeled Send SMS to Subscribers. SMS notifications are sent only to subscribers who have opted in their phone numbers. Create the SMS message or use a template to fill in all the information and edit it as necessary. Once finalized, you can send a test message, save the message as a template, or click Submit to send the message. Network events automatically track sent emails and can generate a report from them. The reports detail the number of emails sent and delivered, as well as the number of emails opened, clicked, or bounced. You can click the graphics to see the list of all subscribers within that category. The email report also includes an option to view the sent email to double-check its clarity and readability. Proactive communication reassures subscribers that your team is addressing the issue. Remember to send updates as needed, particularly once the situation is resolved. We encourage you to take full advantage of all the capabilities the Network Events module affords you. We've seen clients utilize the module for various purposes, such as quickly communicating insights directly onto a subscriber's customer portal to inform both customers and frontline workers answering calls. We've also seen clients use it to photo document different types of network damage, such as storms, vehicle collisions, vandalism, or construction equipment. Another use is establishing step-by-step processes for outages or planned maintenance by using Vision's dynamic workflows. Please reach out to the Vision support team if you need any assistance or would like to learn how to get the most out of using the full capabilities of the available network event tools.